My hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. The got to be has lifted and left the building. I can't, hold on, let me turn around so y'all can see the back. This is how the back looks. Hey beautiful people, it's Seka. I'm back with you guys. And in today's video, guess what we're getting into? Guys. Now, I know some of you guys like ASMRs and satisfying videos and, you know, stuff that you could just sit on and just watch and it's just like, oh my god, that is so satisfying to watch. Well, you're gonna get a satisfying video today. You say what? Yes, satisfying video today. Because we're having some late night shenanigans, you know. You feel me? Like, I've had this styling for possibly, I don't even know, probably like 2 weeks maybe, probably even less than that, maybe a week and a half. And I'm tired of this Quickweave. My scalp is itching, which means this baby has been growing. As you guys can see, it really has been growing because like maybe it's lifting. I can see my wig cap. I can see the braid. Oh, you see, like it's just, I can't, hold on, let me turn around so y'all can see the back. This is how the back looks.
Hello? Chris, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So you mean you had a question about the internet? Hey, buddy. I didn't hear this. Roger, someone else take this. Give him a slap.
All that growth, you see. That's how we're looking back there. It's time. I think it's time for this to go. It was cute while it lasted. I really loved the whole big curly fro look. But baby, this scalp is itching. The got to be has lifted and left the building. So without further ado, let's get into this intro so we can get straight into the video. Before I start this video, I took a shower. It is currently 12:58 in the morning. Like I said, late night shenanigans. What I did before I hopped in the shower, I took some oil and I put it around the areas where I glued onto the cap. So that way, by the time I got out the shower, as you guys could see, it is starting to lift off. All of it is not on my hair, but like some of the perimeter of it was on my hair because I wanted it to lay close to the line of the braids. But anyway, that's besides the point. I used the oil so that it would help start to lift the hair off of the cap. So that's what I did before I hopped in the shower. So now that I'm out of the shower and I'm fresh and all clean and all spicy, you know, you feel me, feeling good. We're gonna take this out because, girl, guys, whoever is watching this right now, this scalp, ooh, and it, like I said, it just is tug up. So without further ado, let's start taking this down. So like, this was my first ever Quickweave that I did on myself. I don't know how to take this thing down. I'm probably gonna do it the incorrect way, but we're gonna figure this out together because, like I said, it got tug out. Try to cut out, hopefully I don't cut my hair. Hold on, let me see if I can come a little closer for y'all. Gotta move my chair forward. Okay, we're up close and personal. So I'm gonna try to cut this out because I did sew on my cap because I have natural hair and I know that it probably would have slipped, especially because I do TikTok and I like to dance and stuff. So I wanted to make sure that it would stay on. So right now, I'm just cutting the thread. Hopefully I'm not cutting my hair because if I cut my hair, I'm gonna cry. Because it took me a year to grow it back. Hopefully this is thread. Let's pray, let's just pray. Let's just pray. Okay, there's one. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
So, a moment of silence for my hair. because I don't know why I told myself to do this at 12 a.m. on camera. I can't even find the piece of thread. Oh my god. I hope I can get this out. I think oh Lord, that looks like my hair.
Child. Anyway, so
I'm so scared, y'all. So scared. I think that's a thread. Like this whole thing is sewn all the way around, like the whole perimeter. To be honest, y'all, I screwed up when I did that because that made absolutely no sense. Where's my mirror? I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, I think there's a thread someplace on this side. Hopefully, oh Lord, I hope that's not my hair. Y'all, I'm thinking. I think that's thread. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. Let's try this side. Cause like you can see the cap right there, and you can see like the tracks are starting to lift off, but it's like I'm kind of scared that I cut my hair. Dear Heavenly Father, I come to you before you. So please
help me out with this hair because Lord, it is stuck to my hair.
oh hell no!
Lord, as a beginner, I will never follow the advice of somebody on YouTube who already know what they're doing because I did not know what I was doing. And Lord, I messed up. Like, yo, it was not even the fact that I couldn't get the thread off because I can get the thread off, but baby, it's stuck to my hair. It's stuck to my hair. My hair. It don't move. My hair. It don't move. Oh Lord. So, before I decided to take this out, I did do my research from YouTube, of course, and I found that people said oil or conditioner works. So I do have both oil and conditioner. I applied some oil, but the oil was taking too long. So we're gonna try conditioner.
Stop it. Get some help.
And see if that helps. We're gonna get this out. One way or another. I don't have the patience. So I'm just gonna like rub this all on. Smooth it. Maybe I should put some oil too. I'm gonna drink. Oh Lord, it's spilling on me. I'm gonna drain some more oil in there. Just rub that in and let's see what happens. I don't know. Lord, I ain't trying to cut my hair. Listen, if I lose 200 strands tonight, that's fine with me. It'll go right back. But I just need to get this cap off my head. It's itching. I'm gonna try to put some conditioner on both sides. If it's stuck in the middle, Lord, send help. Cause I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know who sent me. I want to look cute so bad. But beauty is pain, they say. Beauty is pain. And this is definitely pain in my heart because I cannot get it out of my hair. Let me tell you the struggle, the amount of struggle I went through trying to take this thing out of my head, my boy. Conditioner upon conditioner, oil upon oil, and baby, it was not budging. Literally the only thing that was coming out with a thread. I had to literally rip it off of my scalp. I think it's joke. I legit had to come off camera to rip this thing off my scalp because it was not moving and I wanted it out of my head. Y'all. Thank God the glue didn't go too far down and I was able to at least get most of it out. I was so frustrated. Not me again, my son. At least not the way I do it. It was a first time thing. note to self, do not try YouTube tutorials by people who don't know what they're doing, because you don't know what you're doing either, and maybe both of y'all gonna screw up. This was a mess. This was a total mess. Okay, a total mess. But as you guys can see, I was getting some progress. We're getting there. So let me just fast forward a little bit. I tell her, look, more conditioner again. Look at this. And best believe, I apply the conditioner, rub it in, and it still didn't help. With the help of me cutting out the thread, this is how far I've came. Like, at this stage in the game, you guys can see the frustration in my face, the overwhelmness. Like, I was just a whole ball of emotion at this point, because I really was tired. It was almost 1 o'clock, and I just wanted this thing out of my head, but it was not budging. No matter what I did, I even cut some more thread, but baby, that did not help. It was stuck. Okay, update. This is how far I've gotten. It's just a little piece. I have to find the thread up here and cut it out, as well as this little piece in the back. You guys can't see it, but like it's stuck on this. So once I get that out, it should be finito. So I'll be back when I get the back part of my hair out. Okay? Let me tell y'all, I'm literally ripping this out of my scalp.
Never try YouTube tutorials for Quickweave
if you don't know what you're doing, because this, yeah, that's all I gotta say, guys. After how long is it? About 50 minutes, a whole hour. I did it, y'all. Oh God. Look how we look. There's a few strands of my real hair on there, but thank God it's not like a whole lot. But yeah, I got it out. Alright, so let me show you how the back of my hair looks. Don't laugh at me, okay? Don't laugh at me. This is how it looks. That's how the back of my hair looks. It gonna be a headache trying to get the little pieces of glue that's still stuck in my hair out, but I'm paused for the cause. So the next day I had to go to the hair store to get some hair glue remover just to take the glue out of my hair, because I could not get it out even when I was using a comb to try to clear it out, conditioner and water to clear it out. It just was not moving, so I actually had to go to the store and get some hair glue remover, and I got it out the next day. That is all. I definitely got a lot of new growth, so even if I lose a little hair, you won't cry, because my hair is growing hair. And I'll also take this ponytail out. Ponytail out. Ooh, my hair's itching me. So this was the last step for me. I was simply trying to get the rubber band out of my hair, and then once I finished this task, I then went in and I unbraided the braid. Obviously my camera did not get to record that section. I don't know what happened, but it was only a 1-second clip, so you're going to see that clip come up real soon, and then you're going to hear me ending the video. But thank you guys for watching. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, And if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, and thank you for supporting my channel. So I got everything out, and I will make a tutorial video for my next hairstyle. So I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you enjoy this. Okay, bye. I love you guys. Yeah, this was torture.